In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop down effect. So many editors out there are finding it difficult to create a dropping down effect, and in less than 2 minutes I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. Okay, so let's get started now. So if you are new in this channel, I'm Miracle Update. In this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial now. We are going to use ucut to achieve this drop down effect. This is ucut here, so tap on it. Alright, so once you open, then click on the plus icon, new project, then import the background you want to use for the drop down effect. Okay, so this is the background I want to use. I will quickly add it to my timeline. So this is it. Then I'll tap on it, then click on duration to increase the video length. Okay, so I have increased it to 30 seconds. Then after doing this, tap outside the clip, then slide to PIP, click on PIP and import the object that you want to use. Okay, so this is the object I want to add. I'll just tap on it. So this is the object I want to use for the drop down effect. So now we can use this object with this background. Okay, so we have to remove the background. This is how to do it. Slide, you see this AI over here, click on it. Okay, so have you seen it? So once the thing open, it will remove the background instantly. All right, so click on this little arrow over here at the video end, then click on video end to extend it to reach the end of the video. Then after doing, so the next thing you should do here is drag this object, drag it to the top of the background. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Then add a keyframe, click on this plus, then slide to the place you want the object to drop. So I want it to drop at 5 seconds. So you now use your finger to bring the object down. Are you see what I'm doing? So are you see what I'm doing? Yeah, so I will decrease the object because I want to add some effect to it. Then I will now slide again to 10 seconds. Then I will bring the object to the middle, then I will increase it a little bit. Yeah, so this is the place I want the object to drop. Yeah, so after doing this, then you slide a little bit out of the keyframe. Then I'll add another keyframe by sliding the object up. Then I'll slide again. Then I'll bring the object down again. Alright, so let's see what we just did. Yeah, so this is what we just did now. So after doing this, then move to slide to curve. So click on the ease out. Okay, this is ease out over here, so this is one we are going to use. Okay, yeah, so this is the way you can create this drop down effect. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.